Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Oracle Financial Services, whether it is a buy at these levels or an avoid. So let's get started. First, all a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Oracle Financials, I have small requests that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time on short-term, long-term calls and stocks and markets. And if you pay $100, that's you pay 10 months upfront, then you get 1 year access straight away. That's a 25% extra you get, so a 25% discount for detailed market or company talk or a number of stocks you're holding, or you want to buy some stocks and you want some suggestions, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company. Established in 1990, it is the part of the Oracle Group and provides IT services in the finance and the NBFC sector. It has 900 customers in over 150 countries and is a global brand from a long time ago. High dividend yield is the biggest USP of the stock, and many you can say investors buy it for a 20-30 year period as it gives a very strong dividends. Market cap of the company is around 31,000 crores, so a mid cap stock, which is a larger mid cap stock, not a very small company at all. If you look at the financial, then these are March quarter numbers for FY21 compared to FY20. So the sales were down by around 4%, but profit grew by around 70% due to operational efficiencies and work from home feature, etc. Zero debt company, completely zero debt company. There's high promoter and institutional holding with only 6% free float. Return on equity of 29%, and the biggest positive is the operating profit margin of 44%, which is extremely strong even in this industry, or if you compare to any industry, one of the highest for any industry, for any company. If you look at performance of the stock, it has done very well over the last 12-month period. It has surged a lot. It has, although if you look at a 5 year time frame, then it has remained in a range. Otherwise, from a 1 year basis, it has recovered very smartly from the March lows. It has been delivering very high margins and very strong numbers even in difficult times, and that has led to the stock surging over a period of time. Slower global growth may hurt the business and has hurt the business in the last 1 or 2 years. So what I feel is that numbers would be even better once this pandemic ends and US and European growth expand. We'll see better numbers from the company and more of a surge in the stock price. So at this moment, the valuations are attractive. It's not very expensive compared to other IT companies, and I believe that going forward numbers could improve further and the stock price could even move higher. If you look at the technicals of the stock, it has done exceedingly well over the last 1 year. As I said, 3300 is a very strong support. Now the stock is at between 3500 to 3600. It looks extremely strong on chart. So on any 3 to 5% correction, it is a buy, and one can accumulate for from a 5-6 year time frame or even larger. It is not a stock that could reward you very quickly, but it will give you good dividend and stable returns of 14 to 17%, 16% annually. So if somebody wants to buy stable, very stable companies in which you are not losing your sleep and all those things, then probably you need to buy something like Oracle's financial. It looks extremely strong on charts, and it is on a cusp of a major breakout, but I feel that it may consolidate even now at these levels. So I would say this can be added as an SIP for years. So every month you buy one share or two shares of Oracle Financial and just leave it aside and probably keep it for 10-15 years time frame, and after that you'll look at the returns. You'll get very good dividend and the stock price will also keep going up. So that's the mood basis of investing in such kind of stocks. High dividend yielding stock is Oracle Financial with stable returns. So have less than 5% of it in your portfolio, or probably maximum 10% of it. It could be a very decent play for a, you can say, consistent, stable, decent returns. So this is a video on Oracle Financial. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.